Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a complete productivity system in Notion step by step in 2026 using a structure that's simple, flexible, and actually sustainable. A lot of productivity systems fail because they're too complicated. So here, the goal is clarity, not perfection. Let's start inside your Notion workspace. Create a new page and name it something like Productivity System or Life Dashboard. This page will act as your main control center. At the top, you can add a clean icon and a soft cover image if you want. This helps set the mood, but remember, function always comes first. Now let's define the core parts of your system. Every good productivity setup needs three things: tasks, projects, and notes. First, create a tasks page. Inside it, add a table database. This will hold everything you need to do, big or small. Use a task column for task names. Add a status column with options like to do, doing, and done. Add a due date column so you always know what's urgent. Optional, but helpful, you can add a priority column to stay focused. Now let's move to projects. Create another page called Projects. Each project should represent a bigger outcome, like a work assignment, a personal goal, or a long-term plan. Inside each project page, you can link related tasks from your task database. This way, projects don't become overwhelming, they're just collections of tasks. Next comes Notes. Create a notes page for ideas, meeting notes, learning, or journaling. Use headings and simple text blocks. Don't overstructure this. Notes should feel easy to capture. Now let's connect everything. Go back to your main productivity system page. Create sections like Today's Focus, Active Projects, and Quick Notes. Insert linked views of your task database. Filter one view to show only tasks due today or tasks that are not completed. This gives you instant clarity when you open Notion. For projects, show only active ones. Hide completed projects so your system feels lighter. One powerful habit is daily review. Spend a few minutes updating task statuses and planning what matters next. This keeps your productivity system alive instead of forgotten. And remember, this system is not fixed. As your life changes, your productivity system should change too. Simplify when things feel heavy and add structure only when needed. And that's how to set up a productivity system in Notion step by step in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more full Notion and productivity guides, and I'll see you in the next one.